In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to face swap in Leonardo AI. Whether you're doing this for fun or creative purposes, I'm here to guide you through every step to make the process as seamless as possible. So let's get started by accessing the Canvas editor. First, you'll need to navigate to the Leonardo AI platform and log into your account. Once you're in, head to your personal feed. You should see a list of your images here. Find the one you wish to edit and hover over it with your cursor. You'll notice a Canvas editor icon, which looks like a square with a pencil. Go ahead and click on it to open the image in the editor. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Next, we need to upload our images. Click on the Upload Image button and start by importing the photo that contains the face you want to use. We'll call this image A. After that, upload the target image, which is image B, where you'll be placing the new face. It's important to have both of these images ready for a smooth transition. For image A, which is the source face, use the eraser tool to carefully remove everything except the face you wish to transplant. Make sure the face is perfectly centered and visible, as this will be crucial for a good alignment later on. Once that's done, switch over to image B, your target image. Again, use the eraser tool to take out the face on image B, but leave the rest of the image intact. This will create a perfect blank canvas for your new face, ensuring a clean and natural swap. Now, it's time for positioning. Select the Select tool, which will allow you to adjust the size and orientation of the face from image A. Drag and drop it over to the blank space in image B. Pay close attention to alignment, especially around the eyes, nose, and mouth, to make it look as natural as possible. Once you're satisfied with the position, it's time to apply the Mask tool. Carefully trace around the edges of the new face. This will define the area for inpainting, ensuring the face blends seamlessly with the surrounding areas. Make sure the mask covers the whole face to prevent any abrupt edges. Now let's set the inpainting parameters. Look to the right toolbar and set the canvas mode to InPaint. Adjust the inpainting strength to a value that promotes natural blending, usually somewhere between 0.5 and 1.0. Since we just need one output, set the number of images to 1. In the prompt bar, enter a simple description like, "Replace face with a smiling expression." Keep it minimal to guide the AI without complicating things too much. Finally, click on Generate to process the face swap. Review the output and use the arrow keys to see different versions if there are multiple. Once you find the one that meets your expectations, click Accept. And there you have it. You've just completed a face swap using Leonardo AI. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.